Welcome to 5281 J Street in beautiful Washougal, Washington. We're here in the reserve at Sunset Ridge, and I want you to come see this amazing home. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just under 3,000 square feet. Come on and take a look at this great place. Parks, has a community center, a swimming pool, workout facilities. We have a room for parties, children's playground area. All of it's here, and this is in East Washougal. If you'd like to arrange a private showing, let me know, and I'm happy to take care of that.